located.
Better not.
Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Millersburg, Berlin, Walnut Creek, Brewster, Navarre, Wilmot, Mountain, Winesburg, Beach City, Bolivar, Fredericksburg, and Mount Hope. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Holmes, Stark, and Wayne.